Hey, what's up? Before starting this video, I would like to ask you to hit the like button and write the comments under the video. I want to understand if you are interested in reviews of such devices or not. Today I want to tell you about a new smart doorbell from Meko company. We have already tested two IP cameras from Meko, but this time it is not only camera, but also smart Wi-Fi video doorbell. It has many features such as Wi-Fi connection, 6700 mAh battery, wide viewing angle, waterproof, night vision, Full HD resolution, motion detection and others. The price on Amazon is very good, only $90. By the way, Meko Smart Doorbell comes with 32 gigs memory card pre-installed. Okay, let's start the review with unboxing. The device comes in a brand box. There is the image of doorbell on the front and specifications on the back. You can also find the main features on the side face. Inside the box there is a warranty card, quick user manual, doorbell, indoor chime, micro USB charging cable, and different stuff to install the doorbell, such as mounting bracket, screws, a double-sided adhesive, and reset needle. 32 gigs of memory card is already installed in doorbell. Talking about design of a Meko doorbell, as you can see, I have gray version, also it is available in green color. The dimensions of doorbell is 135 by 55 by 35 mm. The weight is 240 grams. The device has a kind of hat that protects the camera lens and the motion sensor from water and damage. By the way, Meko doorbell is waterproof by IP65 standard. It is not afraid of water and it can withstand the temperature from 14 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. It means that you can install the doorbell outside. On the front we can see camera lens, motion sensor, a speaker and a call button. The microphone hole is on the right side. On the back there are two holes to install the doorbell on the wall. Also there is a battery compartment on the rear panel. However, you don't have to take out the battery to charge it. You can use micro USB port at the bottom. The ring chime is black. It has a USB plug, so you just need to insert it into USB port. I think that's all about design. Now let's go to Amazon page and look at the features of a Meko doorbell. One of the main features of Meko doorbell is 1080p Full HD resolution. Later we will check the video quality day and night. The next feature is two-way audio. You can see, speak and hear the visitors through the app on smartphone. Also, the new smart doorbell supports night vision. We will also check it later. Meko doorbell has motion sensor. There are two adjustable levels of sensitivity. The new device is powered by two batteries with capacity of 6700 mAh. The manufacturer says that the full charge is enough to wake up 1000 times. You can see the battery level in the app. On this picture you can see that doorbell supports only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. It also has 166 degrees viewing angle, real-time video, motion alert, and cloud storage. Now we can connect the doorbell to smartphone. The app on smartphone is called Cloud Edge. It is available on Android and iOS devices. First, you need to create an account if you don't have it yet. Then press on plus in the center of the screen to add a new device. Here you need to select doorbell. Next, follow the steps on the screen. The connection is very simple and fast. When you connect the doorbell, you will see real-time video. There is a battery level icon in the right top corner. You can also mute and choose a video resolution. There are three tabs under the real-time video, such as Live, History and Cloud. In the Live tab you can take screenshot, intercom, record video and motion detection. History tab has recorded videos when motion detected. The videos are stored on microSD memory card. The Cloud tab has the same videos, but they are stored in the cloud. In the settings menu you can change the device name, turn on notifications, set up detection alarm, SD card and cloud storage. In basic function you can turn on night vision, change speaker volume and power management. There are also a very useful function, host leaves message. You can leave 3 voice messages for maximum 10 seconds each.
This is test number 2. This is test number 3.
When somebody presses the call button on doorbell, you get a notification on smartphone. You can answer the call, reject, or play the voice message. By the way, you can choose the song and volume for the chime. There are 4 songs available in the settings. You can also enable motion detection and choose sensitivity level from low to high. Okay, I have already recorded some videos, let's watch them. Meco Smart Video Doorbell is a very useful device. It costs only $89, but has many features, such as Full HD resolution, night vision, motion detection, ring chime, voice messages, cloud and microSD storage, long battery life and waterproof case. Now you can see your visitors on smartphone and talk with them even if you are not at home. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.